Afternoon, this is Cameron at Traders Network Club, and welcome back to another Altcoin season show. As you could tell, we didn't have any shows last week. I lost my voice, so I had no voice last week. So we didn't do any Altcoin season shows last week, and the NFT show we didn't do either. But we're back this week, guys, and market is moving. So got a lot of stuff to talk about, exciting stuff right now. So let's get right to it on a quick little market update right after this. All right, I am drinking Starbucks, so do not make fun of me. It's not a women's drink, okay? All right, it's my fiance. She got me hooked on this. All right, guys. So, man, we're starting to see the altcoins starting to pump, guys. Are we getting this huge pump that's coming? So let's go check out the market today. So let's bring up my screen here, and let's take a look at my bubbles. You know, I like to look at my bubbles. And we just see green everywhere. This is good, man. This is good stuff. All right, so we're starting to get a pump in a lot of these coins, okay? Now, not all these coins I break down in the show. I like to break down the ones that I really like. The coins, because I really think that's the biggest niche in cryptos that I'm really bullish on, okay? So that's why I mostly talk about those coins. But I like to talk about different, just mix it up a little bit. But it's always good to, anytime you're trading cryptos, a lot of people that come in cryptos, and they're the new traders, they get so overwhelmed with how many cryptos there are, so they just kind of jump around trying to trade the hype, trying to trade all these things. And I always recommend, because that's how I learned, to focus on one niche when you get into cryptos. If it's the play to earn, if it's the DeFi or whatever the case it is. If you want to go into the dot system and focus on those coins, just focus on one niche and understand all those coins in that niche. And because if you can really, really understand those coins in that niche, and you will kill that. You will kill that niche. You will absolutely kill it, and you will make money just focusing on that one niche, because you will get overwhelmed looking at all these coins. So I remember Ape over here just took off this last week while we were not last week when we didn't have any shows, so we didn't really get to talk about this. But ApeCoin absolutely took off, and which is kind of crazy. But as you can see, mostly all these coins are green. Okay, so let's just go a quick update here. Let's check check Bitcoin. Yeah, guys. So last week I lost my voice. I had my bachelor. For you guys that don't know, I'm getting married next week, Saturday. So my wedding is coming up. This month has been very hectic and busy. But I had my bachelorette with my boys that my best man planned, and we went out and we did some motocross biking, some dirt biking, some ATVs, and shooting some guns. We were just staying over the weekend at a ranch with some land, so we're just kind of wrecking it like some boys, right? And I had a little accident on the dirt bike where I fell on the shoulder, so my whole shoulder and back is completely messed up. So if I look a little stiff, I look a little like a robot moving around here, just understand my back is really, really messed up. So anyways, we had a great time, but we're getting off track. Just wanted to throw that out there, let you guys know what's going on in my life too, right? We like to have a little fun in these shows. So anyways, guys, Bitcoin. All right, we got Bitcoin in this little range bound, right? So that 45,000 is that key level. I would love to see Bitcoin break through, okay? If we can see Bitcoin break through, come down, test it back, and test this again, then we know we're shooting for the roof, man. We're shooting to that high that we all been waiting for, right? So right now, Bitcoin, obviously in this little range bound, right? Okay. It's, as you can see, this is why I'm looking for it to break through here. You can see the last two times it tested that high right there at that 45,000. So if Bitcoin can get past that 45,000, guys, it's gonna look like a nice bull run, okay? And by the looks of it, we're getting close to that big pump. If Bitcoin can get that huge pump, the altcoins are pumping, right? They're pumping. So now XRP, right? XRP is getting some big news here. I know on Twitter, I posted. Let's see if I posted anything on my Twitter here. Let's go to profile. So yeah, so look at that. FxBigDog's calling me real quick. Hey, I'm in the show right now. I'm gonna call you back. Yeah. So as you can see here, Linda over here posted on her Twitter a few days ago. Obviously, we missed last week, so couldn't kind of have to catch up with everything. So this whole thing with Ripple, right? They're opening this private ledger for central banks to launch the CBDC. So what they want to do is they want to launch their own crypto coins. Okay, they want to have these central banks creating and managing a digital currency, enabling global interoperability, if I pronounce that right. Get involved today. So yeah, so CBDC launching their central banks to start creating and managing digital currency, which is that's big news now. So if we actually check this quick update too, I posted. I thought this was very interesting. It's a little off topic, but Mark Zuckerberg came out, I think it was last week, and said that NFTs are coming soon to Instagram. Okay, and if you guys didn't know, Instagram is part of the Meta. Okay, so he owns Instagram, just with Facebook. They're all correlate. So Facebook and Instagram are from Meta, and he is going to create NFTs into the Instagram. So he's going to have a marketplace for NFTs on Instagram. And if you guys don't know how big that is, okay, this is actually really big news. If this happens, this is going to really, really change the game of NFTs. Okay, this is really going to actually normalize it. This is the jump that is gonna get the NFTs to where they wanted to be, because everyone's on Instagram. Okay, I don't know one person that's not on Instagram. So if they have an NFT marketplace on Instagram, they're basically getting the whole world to start getting involved in NFTs. So this is huge. Okay, this is a huge thing. But obviously, we're not here to talk about NFTs. But that is something that we are definitely going to be looking into when that launches. But anyways, XRP. What's going on with XRP, right? XRP is looking like it's finally trying to break through that trend line, right? We've been waiting. I've had this trend line here for a while, and we've just been keeping an eye on, waiting to see. Excuse me. Sorry, my throat's killing me too because my voice is starting to get back. And all right, so so you can see we're starting to see this breakthrough with XRP. Now, I would love to see, obviously, we get that breakthrough and it comes back down. So now I want to see XRP, I want to see price go up, come back down, test it, and go back up. Because now I know that we're starting to get that bull run, and now we're starting to test the lows and break the highs, baby. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we're waiting for. Now, there's a lot of big news with XRP, that obviously what I just shared there, but there's a lot of big news with XRP too, especially with the still going through that lawsuit with the SEC. So there's a lot of good stuff going on with XRP. I know there's a lot of holders that are getting hyped. It's really trending on Twitter. Everyone can't stop, tweeting XRP. But yeah, this is looking good, guys. We're finally gonna get that breakthrough. But I would love to just see price come back down, test it, and then show me that we're gonna go up and start breaking highs, right? So XRP, man, are we looking to buy an XRP now? Guys, we are really want to change things up. Okay, me and FxBigDog have been talking about changing some things up with these shows, because we really want to start doing live trading with you guys. Okay, we want to be able to open up a live account, which we might actually open up with ACAP. Which reminds me, want to bring you a quick video here from our sponsors. So let's just take a quick little break, and here's a video brought by our sponsor. There it is. Now we want to open up a live account with ACAP so we can go and have you guys watch us, watch me trade live in front of you guys, so we can start making some live trades with you guys, okay? Because I want to do this with you guys, okay? So we're planning on changing some things up coming in this next couple weeks, maybe the start of the month. We don't know yet. We don't have an exact date, but we definitely gonna be changing things up. We want to give you guys more, and that's our goal, okay? So XRP, yeah, are we looking to buy this? I'm gonna wait till I see that test. I want to see that retest of it coming back down and jumping back up, because that's gonna give me that buy indication that I'm looking for. Okay, so XRP, let's keep an eye on that one. I like what I'm seeing. Gala, same thing, guys. We're waiting for this breakthrough pattern, man. And Gala, are we gonna see Gala? Because I'm expecting Gala to start taking off, guys. When Bitcoin takes off, excuse me, when Bitcoin takes off, Gala, Gala, I don't know if it's Gala or Gala, but anyways, Gala always takes off when Bitcoin takes off. Okay, they like to follow each other. So, or it likes to follow Bitcoin. So right now, if Bitcoin get that breakthrough, Gala is definitely going to get that breakthrough and definitely get that upside. Okay, because I'm really expecting Gala to soon get close to that mid 30, like 35, 36,000. Okay, so I'm still or 36 cents, guys. Sorry, but like this is what I'm waiting for around here. Okay, this is where I'm expecting to get till we see something. Maybe we might see a little range bound before we get another big pump. But I expect Gala to get here very soon. Okay. And with this breaking through this little trend line, if I see that nice little pump, it's definitely gonna get there. Okay. So Gala, obviously, guys, Gala is like at a very low. So it's like me, myself, I'm already in Gala when it got really at the lowest year over here. So I'm already in Gala, so I'm holding. But like I said, because I got in a little before the breakthrough, but it's at such a low price. It's the risk I took. It's such a low price. Let's just get in early so we get in more, right? So we get more out of it, because I know Gala is going to go up. But guys, it's still a good entry, right? Mana, yeah, Mana came down. This is what we were looking for, Mana, right? So Decentraland, we were waiting because we could tell this is this little range bound over here, and about the 14th of March, which I believe was last week, right? Which we didn't have our shows, so I believe before that I said we're gonna wait for it to get down and test this floor right here, which it did. So if you guys were keeping an eye on this would have been the time to buy in right here. So I just want to put that in. Make sure that's what we got in. So this is where we want. This is where we got in right here. Okay. Now, if you didn't get in there, it's fine. But this is our target. This is our target right here. Okay. We're looking for that 50%. So that's our target right there. Now, obviously, you're like, oh, Cam, why would we go out there? Because what if it goes further all the way over here? Well, obviously, you can play it and see how it plays over here. Okay, because obviously, if it goes and breaks through and it comes back and tests this, then we're going through. We're holding, right? So obviously, you can wait and see how it plays over here before you want to take your money out. But I'm just saying, for the sake of it, this is our target for now. Okay, that is our target. So Mana, we're expecting it to get to that 3.4. Okay, we're expecting to get there. And Sand, look at Sand, guys. Sand, we've been waiting for that fifth swing, right? We've been waiting for that fifth wave to just form, and obviously it came back down, and now we can see it's kind of in this range bound. But same thing with Sand, right? We said we are gonna buy right here, which was just the last week, the 14th. Okay. So same thing with the central land. Same thing. We wanted to get in right over here. So that's where we are in sand. Okay. Now a target is over here too. This is our target. But same thing. You let it play out. Wait till it gets there and see how it plays out before you just, take it out, take your money out. But that's our target. We're looking for that 80%. And I expect sand to get there. Okay. I expect sand to get there. There's no doubt. Axie Infinity, man, is we're just kind of still playing that patient game with Axie Infinity. It's not doing what I was hoping, but Axie Infinity, I'm still holding Axie Infinity, and I've been holding it. I got in over here. Okay, so I've been holding, and Axie Infinity is something I've been saying I'm gonna hold for a while because I'm letting it play out this whole third wave, okay? Because the third wave is the biggest wave, so we expect the biggest profits out of the third wave. So if this can really just pump, man, and we can get this third wave, this is our target up here, the 618, because that's where the third wave always tends to hit. So I am holding. And I'm just gonna play the patient game, guys. I just gotta be patient on Axie Infinity. Right now, it's just not doing what we want. It's just not doing what we want. But obviously, I'd love to see it break through this little resistance level right here, because that's obviously something that price hasn't want to break through since it came down here. So if we can get past that $69, then we can start seeing a nice little ride. Now, Shiba and Doge, guys, remember I said about Shiba and Doge, I started to see there's going to be a huge breakthrough through Shiba and Doge. You could see this breakthrough pattern. Shiba was a little slower than Doge, but as you can look, you can see we're starting to get that little breakthrough now. And if we do, I expect Shiba to get up here to this resistance level. This is our target, okay? This is our target right here. So we're looking for what, 150? 150% on Shiba. That's our target. Now, this is just obviously this is where well, not last week, but 2 weeks ago, which was around here, I said just to wait for it to get back down here. It obviously didn't go and touch this floor right here. It didn't touch it, but it got pretty close. So you could have used your own common sense and say, all right, I'm gonna get in here. Okay, I'm gonna get in. Now, I'm already holding Shiba because I got in here, okay? I got in here. So I'm still holding. I didn't take my profits. I'm still holding, okay? I still expect Shiba to go all the way up here. Now, Crypto.com, I've been talking about this one for a couple weeks now, okay? And same thing with Crypto.com. We are waiting for that fifth wave swing, guys, that big pump. That's what we're waiting for. Crypto, we're waiting for that big pump. But right now, it's obviously in this little range bound between this resistance and floor. Okay. And it's kind of in the middle of it right now. So it's not a great entry to get in. And you can kind of see I had this little trend line just to see what price was testing over here. But you can see it's starting to break through that a little bit. So Crypto.com is really to keep an eye on. I believe I got in actually around right here too, actually. So I was actually looking to cost to average if I saw it get lower. But right now it's starting to pick up. So I would like to see what it does and breaks through this breakthrough and see what happens if it breaks through this trend line, if we can actually go and test this resistance level. That's a key level. I am looking right there at 53 cents. HBAR is on that falling wedge. So are we going to get that breakthrough, this falling wedge right here? So anytime we get a falling wedge, we like to see that upside, right? So HBAR, and this is obviously was a key floor level right here. Very key floor level right here. So as you can see, price came all the way down here, tested it, and then came all the way up to the highest it's been. So HBAR, this is something I want to keep an eye on, guys, because don't know if price is going to get all the way to this floor or if we're going to get a breakthrough before it does. So that's something you want to keep an eye on because you don't want to get in late. So if we get this breakthrough, then you kind of want to jump in so you're not late, right? And if it does dip down a little bit, we can always, cost average. That's always the next strategy. But that is HBAR is looking to do something. Okay. Now Quant, this is a coin that a lot of people are talking about just because, as you can tell, look at this. I mean, it had this huge dip and it's just such a low price, and a lot of people are really bullish on this. Now, I'm not in this coin, okay, because I don't know much about this coin to even talk about it. But I'll tell you what, though, a lot of people do like this, and because it's at such a low price right here, a lot of people are obviously throwing money at it. You know, it's the risk they're willing to take because there could be a really high reward to this coin. But I just like to just bring it up just to talk about it, see what's happening with this coin every day, just because it's pretty interesting on how this is laying out. Okay. But we'll see how it pans out. We'll see how it pans out. Helium was another coin I had a nice entry forming, and boom, there it is, guys. Okay, there it is. Same thing last week. Got to that support level. That's where we wanted to buy. Okay. I don't know what this is. Let me just delete that. That's where we wanted to buy. Okay, right here. Bam, we're in. So Helium, we are waiting, guys. We are waiting, and our target's all the way up here at the 2.7. Okay, our target's all the way up at $72. Okay, so we're sitting at 23. And if you're getting in, this is something we want to hold. Okay, we're gonna huddle this for a while till it gets to our target at $72. That's our target. Now, obviously, you can always take your profits wherever you feel comfortable with. If you're willing to take, whatever you want to, that's up to you. But this is something that we obviously are going to have to huddle because there's some big upside to this. Okay. Now, Doge, when I was talking about Shiba being that breakthrough, this is Doge, guys. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Now, this is where I was saying we're going to buy. Right as it breaks through here. Okay. Bam. This is it right here, guys. Okay. That's it. If you're not in Doge, this is something that I'm gonna look into getting right now. Okay. I'm not a financial advisor, can't advise you, can't recommend you tell you what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm looking at, what I'm doing, and you can decide on your own, make your own decisions. Okay. So this right here to me looks like a perfect time to get in, right? In Doge. So there it is. Solana, real quick. Solana too had that same. Wow, look at Solana, guys. Now, obviously, we were waiting for this. I wanted to see it get to this floor, and that's kind of where we were going to buy. Now, it looked like it didn't get there and it started going up, but we're not going to do anything until I see it get here, until I see it starts breaking through these trend lines. That's the only option I'm waiting. So Solana, I'm still just waiting to see what happens. Okay. Now, that's pretty much it for today. Just wanted to give a nice little quick update on what's going on with the crypto since we didn't get to talk about it last week. And there was obviously a lot going on. As you can see, we are in a lot of coins that are in green. Okay. And that's just amazing to see when we're in green. It's not fun to see red, right? So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for the NFT show. And Thursday, we'll have another Altcoin season show. But big things coming for you guys. A lot more content, a lot more stuff we want to bring. So a lot of new things are going to be changing so we can make it better for you guys. And so make sure you go and you smash the like button for this videos. We need the likes, and subscribe, guys, for some more content. And check out the description below if you're interested in our Telegram signals and our trade replicators too down there in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time, which is tomorrow for the NFT show. And if you guys didn't notice, sorry, by the way, last thing, if you guys didn't notice, we are changing the times now to 11 o'clock, okay? Because like I said, we're trying to change some things up and add more things. So I kind of had to mix things around a little bit. And looks like we're now going to finalize that these shows and all the shows, the NFT show too, and the both crypto shows are going to now be officially at 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. Eastern time. So that has changed just an hour, away. So anyways, thank you guys. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.